Welcome everyone, let's learn if function in Microsoft Excel. We are going to learn the functionality of if function, the parameters which are used in if function, which are logical condition, value if condition is true, value if condition is false, and demo in Excel. So let's go into Excel and try all these things. So here we are in Excel. So in this table we have salesperson data. This is salesperson name, their sale in January month, and if they have the sales more than 5,000, their commission should be 10%, and if it is less, then it should be 5%. So let's see how we can do this by using the if. So click here, insert function, if, and first is logical test. So let's see if this cell is greater than 5,000. If yes, then percentage is 10. If false, then percentage is 5. Click OK, and here we got the percentage 10 because it is more than $5,000. Let's copy this formula, and here sales is less than 5,000, so commission is 5%. Here it is more than 5,000, so commission is 10%. So this is how you use the if condition or the if function. Let's take another example. In this example, we will not enter the percentage within the formula, but we will refer it from a cell. So let's enter a formula here. If logical test, if this cell is greater than 5,000, then if it is true, the percentage is from this cell. If it is false, then percentage is from this cell. Click OK, and here you got 10. Let's copy this formula. So here we have our condition. This is less than 5,000, so 5%. This is more than 5,000, 10%, and so on and so forth. The advantage of this is, let's say if you decide to change the commission, you need not to change your formula. 6, 6, 6, 6. I think you have noticed that the commission is automatically updated. So that's how you will use if function in Microsoft Excel. Hope you like it. Bye for now.